Hello everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we deal with the idiom pot calling the kettle black, giving you some helpful examples to use in the workplace and in social situations. The meaning of this idiom is criticizing someone for a fault you also have, or for a wrong you have also committed. A staff member got caught in traffic and was late for work. Their colleague mentioned it to them when they arrived to work. I see you're late today. Yeah, but you shouldn't talk. You are always late. That's like the pot calling the kettle black. Here are some further examples, starting with social situations. When Sarah cancelled meeting up with her friend wasn't happy. I can't believe you're cancelling. You haven't been out in months. Well, this is a real pot and kettle situation, if I ever saw one. When were you out last? The couple were having a disagreement. I don't know how you can call me selfish. That's like the pot calling the kettle black. The little boy wouldn't stop talking in class, and when he saw someone else talking, he told them to stop. The teacher wasn't happy about it. That's the pot calling the kettle black. You need to stop talking too. Now here are some more examples, this time in professional situations. The government accused the newspaper of misrepresenting the facts. Some of the public laughed at the thought. It's such a pot and kettle situation. They clearly have a very short memory. Human resources were discussing a disciplinary matter relating to two staff members. The employee made accusations against the other, but they both did the same things. It sounds a lot like a pot and kettle situation. The business owners had a habit of instinctively buying things for the business without consulting each other. One of them wasn't happy. This is like the pot calling the kettle black. You always do it too. Where did you hear the expression pot calling the kettle black? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English idioms you can use in social situations and in the workplace.